How do you get what you want out of life? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. We're going to keep it short and sweet and simple and actionable for you. Mike Mandel.
Actionable is the key because this actually works. This is the stuff that he and I have done in our own lives. And it's so simple. You're going to go, yeah, it is. Then you have to follow through. Most people want more out of life than what they have. But they coast. They wait for things to happen. In Canada, the average person thinks that their plan for the future is winning the lottery. I mean, that is coasting. It's just hoping things turn out.
I know people who think that.
I know.
When I win the lottery, I'll buy that beach house. Yeah.
Right. But coasting is wasted time you will never get back again. And the older you get, the more you're going to want to hold on to the time that you have and do something useful in that time. So first thing you have to do is clearly define what exactly is it that you want. And Tony Robbins would say,
know your outcome.
Oh, I want more money.
Here's your quarter.
Yeah,
tell someone who cares. Yeah.
What's your outcome? What do you want? Focus on the main thing, which will give you the greatest benefits. So you'll find different things you want in life, but focusing on the main thing is key. What will give you the most benefit when you get it? Not if, but when. It could be you want better health, or you want more money, an improved lifestyle, or maybe more friends, a bigger social group. Identify exactly what those things are. So let's say it's more money. You have to use the VAK, the visual, auditory, and kinesthetics to determine what does more money mean? How much more? How will you know? What is your evidence criteria?
Right. Yeah, exactly. How do you, you could say, okay, more money. Well, I'll have no credit card debt. I'll have a portfolio of investments that will help me live into retirement. I'll own my own home, maybe the cottage, and I'll be able to afford 2 vacations a year with my family. Something like that.
Now, that's evidence criteria.
That's better than somebody going,
know he's got it.
I'm going to need $100 million without any real thought behind it.
It has to be achievable. So you're going to define clearly what we see, hear, and feel when you get this thing that you want.
Another example might be somebody, let's say, who wants to become more fit, lose body fat.
Sure.
Well, how they have to figure out, like, when you said define what are the biggest parts of that, you'll probably start thinking like, okay, is it what needs to change? Is it my diet that's the issue? Am I drinking too much booze at night?
Yes.
Am I eating too much junk food, treating every day like it's Halloween? Or am I just kind of not doing any weight training and I need to do that? What are the things that need to change? What are the biggest moving parts that they give you? What are the 20% things that you can change? They give you, like
the minimum effective dose.
Yeah, what are the
20%?
I'm going to slow down. I'm trying to rush this.
I can see that.
What are the 20% of the major changes that are going to give you 80% of the results? That's the Pareto principle.
And some of the key questions to ask yourself is, what will this give you if you get it? You have to check the ecology of this. And you want to say, how will this affect your life? Are there any negative effects from this? How will this affect the people around you? Because if you become a multi-gazillionaire and your marriage is destroyed, that's probably not the best thing either. You have to ask this thing. And it's Lee Iacocca all over this, who turned Chrysler around. He said, here's how you get what you want out of life, and this works. Find out, identify clearly, as we've said, what you want out of life. Identify it and determine what that is. Then find out what price you will have to pay to get it.
Not necessarily money.
Is pay the price.
Right.
Just pay the price.
Yeah.
Find out what you're going to have to do and what resources will you need. What resources have you already got from moving towards this and getting this? What people can help you in your life? I love the Zig Ziglar quote. Freddie Jacquin uses this too. It's such a great one. Now, Zig Ziglar was a motivational speaker. And he said, you get this. This is as good as the Lee Iacocca one. You can get anything you want out of life if you help enough other people get what they want. Be prepared to help other people get what they want. It does come back on you.
Right. And we've talked about using baby steps to get there, the power of incrementalism, right? You don't get from A to B in one fell swoop. You usually have to climb up the staircase one step at a time, climb that ladder one rung at a time, swim across that lake one stroke at a time. And it's
eat that elephant one spoonful at a time.
Yeah, one spoonful at a time. Yeah. You don't just get there in a quantum leap. You get there through incrementalism.
But incrementalism becomes a habit. It becomes part of your life, and you will consistently do it.
Yes.
That's why working out now for me is easy. It wasn't in the early days, but now incrementally I got so freaking fit. It's amazing. Now, what about write down just a flexible plan with a target date? Have a date, because a goal without a target date is just daydreaming. Get a date that you want to aim for and start right away. Start today. Putting it off is just wasted time again. So don't coast. Start right away, but then have the flexibility and this is my final point, check to see if what you're doing is working. If it isn't working, do something else.
And if you want to really ramp this up, get someone else involved. Tell somebody that you care about.
Make a declaration.
Who you care about. Like, I care about what, let's say, Mike thinks about me and my results in life, because I look up to Mike. So I'm going to tell Mike, I'm going to get down to 170 pounds by January 31st, or whatever the outcome is.
2030.
I might put it on Facebook, post it on socials to all your friends, because if you put your goals out there, you're more likely to meet them.
Make it work for you. It's good psychology.
That's Cialdini stuff right there. All right. So that's how you get what you want.
Start today. Go for it.
Thanks once again.
And
good night.